बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम नायब तहसीलदार का जो पेपर हुआ था पीपीएससी की तरफ से, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से, वो हम आंसर के साथ तफसील से डिस्कस करेंगे। उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो चलिए टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द प्रेजेंट प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ क्यूबा? ये है मैगुएल। इसमें आंसर, और ये पुराना क्वेश्चन है तो इसमें है 5 नायब सदर हैं मैगुएल दाइजे कैनल। अप्रैल 2018 में ये हुए हैं। फाद मासूम इज़ द प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ इराक सिंस 2014। क्लैश ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन वाज रिटन बाय सैमुअल हंटिंग। वार एंड पीस इज रिटन बाय लियो टॉल्स्टॉय। प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस रिटन बाय John Austen. India Wins Freedom is written by Abdul Kalam Azad. Who was the chief editor of Zimedar? Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Salmon Commission come in India 1928. First Viceroy of Subcontinent Lord Canning. Last Viceroy Lord Mountbatten. Barack Obama was born in Hawaii and now belong to Illinois. When WTO was formed 1995. Stainless steel is the alloy of iron, chlorine and nickel. How many colors there in spectrum? 7. Which player has highest score in Test cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. 50,921. NATO stand for National Atlantic Treaty Organization. Where is the greatest and longest wall on the earth? China. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Italy. Who present theory of relativity? Einstein. Relativity. When Dr. Abdul Salam received Nobel Prize 1979. Penicillin was discovered by Fleming. Scottish था 1928 में, but he was used in 1942. What is the actual time of rotation of Earth? 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds. Olympics 2000 took place in which city? Sydney. Who was the first president of Muslim League? Sir Aga Khan. Who is the president of India? रामनाथ नए प्रेसिडेंट है। बान की मून बिलोंग टू विच कंट्री? साउथ कोरिया। ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ टाइम इज रिटन बाय स्टीफन हॉकिंग। व्हाट इज ब्लैक होल? हाइपोथेटिकल रीजन इन स्पेस। विच इज द 2 गैस दैट आर exhaled more than we inhale? Nitrogen, oxygen. What is agoraphobia? Fear of open places, public places. Prime Minister of UK is Theresa May. How many members are there in European Union? 28. OIC comes into existence 1969. How many states are there in USA? 50. SAARC headquarters is in Kathmandu. Friends Not Master is written by General Ayub Khan. Total number of Commonwealth 53. In 1946. Who present poor man Bajar? Liaquat Ali Khan. Lama Iqbal River Khutbate Allahabad in December 1930. UNO was established on 24 October 1945. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? The Hague. Hijrat Medina took place 622 AD. Total number of Ghazwa in 27. Surah without Bismillah, Surah Toba. Anarkali is written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. Raja Gid is written by Banu Qudsiya. How many lines are there in Madrasa? Shikwa Iqbal famous poem is in which book? Bange Dara. Hajj was performed by Holy Prophet on 10 Zilhijjah. Shahnama Islam is written by Hafiz Jalandhari. Origin of species written by Charles Darwin. Partition of Bengal took place 1905. Suez Canal connect Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Which poet was famous for Masnavi? Jalaluddin Rumi. इलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल फर्स्ट बुक पर्शियन इसरार खुदी 1915 में लिखी थी। कोलोराडो इज रिवर विच फ्लो इन USA. Congo river is located in Africa. The Lal Sharna National Park is located in Bhavalpur. The Grand Trunk Road was built by Sher Shah Suri. Farzai movement was started by Haji Shariatullah in Bengal in 1781 to 1880. During the Mughal period, which one of the following traders first come in India? Portuguese. The first Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage at expense of state was Akbar. The Great Fort of Pakistan, Rani Kot Fort, is situated near city. Jamshoro Gandhara art is related to Texla. 1 pound per foot is equal to 1.488. When was first agreement signed on Sachin Glacier 1949? Buddhist Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? Mauryan. State of Kashmir was purchased by Gulab Singh for 7.5 million. Who was the first president of USA during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. When American Congress appointed George Washington as Commander-in-Chief of American Untrained Army in 1775. Name the first Muslim who was appointed Hakim. Saad bin Muaz Raziyallahu anhu. Name the first person who declared conversion to Islam emphatically. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu anhu. India Council Act introduced 1909. Quaid-e-Azam became member of Legislative Assembly from Bombay 1910. Delhi Darbar, King and Queen of British visit India. Partition of Bengal and Royal which year? 1911. Bhutto stepped in the President and civilian CMLA of Pakistan 20th December 1971. Land reform were announced by PPP regiment 1st March 1972. Land reform were announced. ये हो गया. Who was Aminul Ummat? Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah. Which is the biggest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Superior. Which is the biggest freshwater lake of the world? Lake Superior. Which peninsula lie between Black Sea and Sea of Azov? Crimean. On the bank of which river is city London located? Thames. Which is the largest country in Arabian Peninsula? Saudi Arabia. The distance between the earth and the sun is smallest month of January. In how many time zones have the world been divided? 24. Liverpool is situated in the bank of Mersey River, which is the longest river in the world. Nile. Name the enemy leader of Pakistan movement who in 1949 took over as the first governor of Punjab, elected and became president of Pakistan Muslim League. Abdul Rab Nishtar. What do you understand by FN route on the way? Name the American president who had resigned when he was about to impeached by Congress. Richard Nixon. 9 August 1974. Michelangelo was famous. None of these painter थे वो. Where would you find Sea of Galilee? इसराइल. तो ये थे हमारे पास नायब तहसीलदार का पेपर जो PPSC की तरफ से हुआ. लेकिन ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये तकरीबन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. हर जो PPSC के FPSC के एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, टेस्ट एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, उनमें ये क्वेश्चन तकरीबन सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. तो ये पेपर बहुत लाजमी है आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए. वीडियो पसंद आई है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिएगा.